Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. We had a little bit of technical difficulties to record these videos and I had to redo it, to be honest, a couple of times. I think now it's going to work perfectly. I hope you had a nice weekend. Let's start with the Euro US dollar weekly chart. The price formed this pin bar with a long upper tail. It shows rejection of the higher prices and we expect a move to the downside. Also, these candlesticks real bodies were really small, so the sellers might gonna make a move. Dropping down to a 4-hour chart, if the price retrace this downward impulsive leg, we might gonna see some kind of retracement, let's say around 61.8 to 50% Fibonacci. And from this point, if the price breaks this low, we gonna hit for a downtrend. But for now, the market structure is still bullish overall. If you want to add more resistance, more support, you can have this one. On the lower time frame, it's significant, and for the other one, it's right up there. Australian dollar against the US dollar. The price on the weekly chart has similar formation with a bearish candle, but the bounce is on the 4-hour chart is this support, where this pin bar bounced from the support. The previous week's high, it's up there, strong resistance, another resistance here. If you trade lower time frames like 1-minute chart, all the 4 hours highs become strong areas of resistance. On the flip side, if the price moves further below this support, it's going to be the main support, and then this one down here. Sterling against the US dollar, that was a nice bearish engulfing at resistance. So mainly all the majors are favoring, are bullish on the US dollar. If the price drops down on the 4-hour chart, we have more clarity. The price broke market structure, made this lower low. So technically we are in a downtrend, but this is the 4-hour chart. We get the main direction. Then we drill down to the hourly time frame. If you want to know how to day trade, I create finally a complete course from beginners to all advanced, and I can give you access so you can learn how to trade. So just let me know if you need the course. Next one, it's the USD Japanese yen, very sideways here. The levels are this one up here, down there. All these are support resistance. We need to see a break outside of this consolidation. Gold, all-time highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, non-stop. That's the 4-hour time frame. Solid break above this high. If another 4-hour candle close above this resistance, we're gonna go for a further move to the upside. Let's keep an eye on that one. For platinum weekly time frame, this is the mother candle and all these are inside candles, imagine, and that's on the weekly chart. On the 4-hour time frame, it's just a messy consolidation. Here I don't see any market structure beside this support and that resistance. That's all. The Cooper dub weekly chart, all these candles are inside, small ranges, not volatility, nothing compared to this long bearish candle. The 4-hour time frame, the market has a structure with these higher highs up, higher highs and higher lows. It broke to a lower low, and from that point we do expect further downward continuation. So keep an eye on that one. Bitcoin, all the cryptos are down, extremely down. Retracements as expected are part of the trends. Lower lows here, but on the lower time frame it's more like a change of market structure. Look at this, it turned to a lower low, and in the course I explained this as the failure swing top, and it's one of the best reversal price action pattern. If you know how to read this transition, you can get early into the trade to go for short positions. Regarding the major news events, only significant news, they will be announced on Thursday, and that will be the interest rates report in Switzerland. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, they will be very low volatility days, but the price will move as expected, as usual, I think we're going to see more strength on the US dollar based on the technical charts and also based on the FOMC minutes last Wednesday. So let's see what the market is hiding from us. Okay, so guys, I wish you best luck with your trading. Any questions, just put them on the chart there and I will speak to you soon.